Hello, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, Outdoor and Indoor Gardening. I'm giving you an update on what's happening on my beautiful garden. Yeah, that's my runner beans and tomatoes. Today I just planted two pineapple there in a pot because my four pineapple I don't know on how many will survive there. The one near the tree, which is yeah, that one. I think she's only the one surviving. That's my potatoes. I've got my strawberries from dead strawberries and become alive again. There, there. Look at my hands. And another strawberry that I planted it there. But that's not a strawberry that dies and become alive again. I put a new replacement of my strawberries. And I will show you too something there. My onion there is growing. Yeah, that's my onion. The other onion on this side. My runner beans going up. There it's climbing. There. Look. There, my runner beans. The runner beans becomes alive. Or tomatoes, but tomatoes there started to become ripen. Yeah, here I show you my potato down there. Yeah, that's it. My potatoes. On the other side, I show you my new planted strawberry. There. There, strawberry. Strawberry. Another strawberry there. This one. Yeah, that's the strawberries. I got pineapple here and one strawberry. My potatoes are bearing fruits now. There, my tomato. That's my tomatoes. Anyway, later I will make this looking forward so that you will see everything on my beautiful, lovely garden with strawberries. Yeah? Then another strawberries on the side. Yeah, newly planted strawberries. Two there, three, three on that side, four, five. Okay? And that's my potato. Okay, my friend, I pray now that you will subscribe to my beautiful outdoor, indoor gardening. Thanks a lot. And again, hope to see you again, my friend. God bless. Bye for now. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and be blessed.